Hi everyone, this is Vince and you're watching AI for Everyone. This should just be a quick short video. I mentioned in my last video that I was going to show you how to install this on your phone or your tablet. And so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to pop over to our phone screen. I have an iPhone, so I'm going to be showing you how to do that on an iPhone and at the App Store. But it works the same way if you have an Android phone and you're going to the Google Play Store. You're just going to search for the same thing, install it the same way, log in using the login we created in our first video, and you'll be good to go. So let's go to the phone. So we're just going to come here, hit the App Store. Once it's opened, we're going to go down to the bottom right and hit search. Then we're going to type in, you're just going to have to start with chat, and you'll see ChatGPT and you'll touch it. And you'll scroll down and you'll find the one with that white symbol. You'll hit the cloud for the install. Once it's installed, you can just hit open. And it's going to open up and it's going to come right to this. Responses can be inaccurate, don't share sensitive information. We're just going to hit continue. Once we hit continue, we can start right here, but we're going to do the sign up. And we're going to sign in with the same sign in information we did in the last video. So it's going to tell you it wants to open up OpenAI. We're going to go ahead. We're going to put in our email address. For me, it's aiforeveryonevp@gmail.com. We're going to hit continue. Then it's going to ask for our password. We're going to put that in. Then we're going to hit continue. And it's going to log us into the account that we already set up in our last video. And if you'll notice, I can hit these two little lines up at the top left. Those two little lines, and there's all the different searches and messages and conversations we had from our last video because we signed in. So now we can just start using it. And down in the message ChatGPT, we can start to type in a message to start a conversation. For instance, what plants can I grow in South Carolina? We'll put in. We'll just ask it that question. We're going to hit the little arrow up button. And here's the answer very quickly. Vegetables, spring, summer, fruits. We can scroll up and down all this information it gives us just that quickly. All that we want. Now I'm going to show you a neat little thing you can do that makes it a lot easier here. That little microphone button that you see highlighted, we can hit that and just speak into it. I can say, what ones would you suggest I get? Hit the arrow. It puts that in. I hit the arrow again. And it gives me the answer. And there's all that information just by talking to it. So there I showed you quickly how to get it from the App Store or the Google Store and get yourself logged in. All right, well that's it. And I even showed you how you can just touch the microphone button and talk to it and ask questions instead of having to always type them in. So you can do that on your laptop, you can do that on your tablet, you can do that on your phone, and it makes it a lot simpler. Anyways, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video and it was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Until the next time, this is Vince, and you've been watching AI for Everyone.